DespairRepair.com.
Hi everyone and welcome to DespairRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to change the wiper refills on your car. So instead of changing the whole wiper blade, we will only change the rubber part on the wiper. We will show you how to do this on both the frame style wiper blade like this one or the old school type, and on the beam style one or the more modern one. Before we start, here's what you'll need for this replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of combined pliers, and optionally a pair of cutting pliers, and of course the wiper refill. First we're going to do the wiper refill replacement on the beam style wiper blade. These are more modern ones but are more expensive to buy. So for a small amount of money, instead of buying new ones, you can only replace the rubber blade. Every beam style wiper blade has a plastic clip on the end, on both ends, so to say, and your task here is to remove that clip. Inside there are small holes which you can put the small screwdriver inside and take the clip off. So place the wiper blade like this, give the clips a bit of a push inside and remove the cap. After that, grab the wiper blade like this. Okay, this is important so the whole blade doesn't fall apart. If it does, it can be put together again, but nevertheless there's no need for that. And pull the rubber out. Okay, perhaps it will go a bit hard, especially if the wiper blade is more old, but don't be shy, just give it a push and take it out like this. If you want to, in order to stop the wiper blade from falling apart, you can put a small piece of tape here and cut it when the wiper refill reaches that part. Okay, so grab the wiper refill and start inserting it like this. Make sure it goes in properly, and then start pushing or pulling it to the end. The final result should be this. Okay, the wiper refill should be in one line with the metal parts here that are holding it. After that, put the plastic clip back into place. If the plastic parts have separated a bit, pull them back into place, and there you have it. The wiper blade refill has been changed for a beam style wiper. Now for the frame style wiper blade. Now this is also not complicated, although it has a few tricks that you should pay attention to when placing the wiper refill. First thing is that the wiper refill is constructed in such a way that this part of the wiper blade is free to go out, and this part has small metal claws clinging to the rubber so it won't come out while the wiper is wiping the windshield. Okay, your task here is to release the rubber on this side, release the small metal claws, and pull the rubber outside. Okay, so on this part you can use either the small flathead screwdriver, put it inside and open the claw one way. Only here you have to watch your hands so this doesn't happen, you know, the screwdriver doesn't slip and you hurt yourself. You can do this, or you can use the cutting pliers. I like to use them more because they're more safe. So you can use the cutting pliers, grab one of the claws and simply open them up. So again, you can use the cutting pliers or you can use the screwdriver. If you use it, be careful. Put it inside here and just twist open. The point here is to release the rubber. So once you release the rubber, take it off like this, and simply pull it out. Okay, so grab the rubber and pull it out. Now, unlike the beam style wiper blade, you'll notice that this wiper blade has two metal rails on each side, like this, okay? And like this. This gives stability to the rubber. Without it, the wiper would have no purpose, okay? This is important because you have to return them on the wiper refill. Now, the next thing you should do is put the metal rails inside the wiper refill, okay? Good to know is that they have a direction in which they're supposed to be mounted. You'll recognize it by small cuts inside on one side, which should go on the part of the rubber refill which has the claws that we opened at the beginning. So put them on this part and just press the metal rail inside here. You have to be careful so it all sits in properly. Okay, like this. Put it down and do the other side. Like this. Okay. Make sure that everything sits inside properly. And then take the wiper refill, turn it, and start pushing it through the metal holders of the wiper blade. Just make sure that everything sits in properly and that the metal rails go inside together with the rubber. Like this. Watch the whole length. Watch the whole length of the rubber, that everything is okay and sits in properly. Bit of a tricky job and need some patience. Like this. Everything down there is okay, and here we are through the last loop. Okay, now as you'll see, after you finish this, check that every metal rail is in its place, that the wiper blade has gone through every of these metal holders, and after that put this part where the claws are, put it in place. Now take the combined pliers and just press the open metal holder into place and tighten it firmly like this. So it grabs the rubber parts which are meant to hold the wiper. And there you have it, the wiper blade refill is replaced. So there you have it, a simple fix and replacement that you can surely do on your own. I would especially recommend this procedure for the beam style wiper blade and the rear wiper blade, as they are most expensive to replace. If you find the time, you also have a written tutorial on despairrepair.com where you can find more details on this procedure. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. For more information on how to do checkups and simple repairs around the car, be sure to visit us at despairrepair.com.